As we age, our nutritional needs change, making it essential to adjust our diets to maintain optimal health. For those over 60, focusing on nutrient-dense foods can help support overall well-being, prevent chronic diseases, and enhance quality of life. Here's a comprehensive guide to some of the best foods that should be included in the diet of anyone over 60. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce the risk of heart disease, improve brain health, and may even slow the progression of age-related cognitive decline. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients support heart health, improve digestion, and enhance skin health. However, due to their high calorie content, it's best to consume them in moderation. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat are important for maintaining energy levels and digestive health. They are high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation, a common issue for older adults. Whole grains also provide essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are vital for overall health. 4. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are among the most nutritious fruits. They are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Antioxidants in berries, such as anthocyanins, help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to aging and chronic diseases. Including a variety of berries in your diet can also support brain health and improve memory. 5. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and folate. They can help maintain muscle mass, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote a healthy gut. Incorporating legumes into your meals can be as simple as adding them to soups, salads, or stews. 6. Dairy or dairy alternatives. Calcium and vitamin D are critical for bone health, and dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are rich sources of these nutrients. For those who are lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, fortified plant-based milk, like almond, soy, or oat milk, and yogurts are excellent alternatives. Consuming adequate amounts of calcium and vitamin D helps prevent osteoporosis and fractures. 7. Lean protein. Lean protein sources, such as chicken, turkey, tofu, and legumes, are essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength, especially as muscle loss tends to accelerate with age. Including a variety of lean proteins in your diet ensures you get enough essential amino acids to support muscle repair and overall health. 8. Colorful vegetables. A colorful array of vegetables, such as carrots, bell peppers, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes, provides a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for eye health, immune function, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Eating a variety of colorful vegetables ensures you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients. 9. Hydration. While not a food, staying hydrated is crucial for older adults, as the sense of thirst may diminish with age. Water is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall cellular function. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and include hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges in your diet. Adopting a balanced and nutrient-rich diet is one of the most important steps for maintaining health and vitality after 60. Incorporating a variety of these foods can help ensure you get the necessary nutrients to support healthy aging. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. With the right nutrition, you can enjoy a healthy and fulfilling life well into your golden years.